Quality Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 4. Question 1. What is the purpose of a defect tracking system? A. To create test plans. B. To monitor defects and their resolution status. C. To measure test coverage. D. To automate test execution. The correct answer is B. To monitor defects and their resolution status. A defect tracking system helps monitor, manage, and resolve software defects efficiently. Question 2. What is equivalence class partitioning? A. Dividing input data into valid and invalid partitions for testing. B. Testing edge cases for input data. C. Dividing test scripts into functional and non-functional categories. D. Automating test cases into classes. The correct answer is A. Dividing input data into valid and invalid partitions for testing. Equivalence class partitioning reduces the number of test cases by grouping similar inputs. Question 3. What does a test case include? A. Only the expected outcome. B. A list of required hardware and software. C. Inputs, expected outcomes, and test execution steps. D. A description of the testing environment. The correct answer is C. Inputs, expected outcomes, and test execution steps. Test cases include inputs, expected results, and the steps required to perform the test. Question 4. What is risk-based testing? A. Testing the most critical functionality first based on risk analysis. B. Testing security vulnerabilities in high-risk areas. C. Testing based on the risk of failure. D. Testing during high traffic periods. The correct answer is A. Testing the most critical functionality first based on risk analysis. Risk-based testing prioritizes test cases based on their potential risk and impact. Question 5. What is boundary value analysis used for? A. Identifying code defects. B. Testing input values at the boundary of valid and invalid ranges. C. Automating test scripts. D. Testing database performance. The correct answer is B. Testing input values at the boundary of valid and invalid ranges. Boundary value analysis tests the limits of input values to uncover edge case defects. Question 6. Which tool is typically used for automated UI testing? A. Selenium. B. Jenkins. C. JMeter. D. GitHub. The correct answer is A. Selenium. Selenium is widely used for automating the testing of web-based user interfaces. Question 7. What is the purpose of integration testing? A. To test individual software components in isolation. B. To test interactions between integrated software modules. C. To test the system's performance. D. To check security vulnerabilities. The correct answer is B. To test interactions between integrated software modules. Integration testing verifies that combined software components work together as expected. Question 8. Which type of testing focuses on system behavior under heavy load? A. Unit testing. B. Stress testing. C. Usability testing. D. Smoke testing. The correct answer is B. Stress testing. Stress testing assesses how the system behaves under extreme load or pressure. Question 9. What is static testing? A. Testing without executing the program code. B. Testing software under real user conditions. C. Testing the system's functionality. D. Automating test case execution. The correct answer is A. Testing without executing the program code. Static testing involves reviewing documentation and code without executing the program. Question 10. What is a test strategy? A. A high-level document describing the testing approach. B. A tool used for automation. C. A specific set of test cases. D. A report of defects found during testing. The correct answer is A. A high-level document describing the testing approach. A test strategy defines the overall approach and objectives for the testing effort. Question 11. What does usability testing evaluate? A. System performance under load. B. The ease of use of a system or application. C. Code quality and structure. D. System security. The correct answer is B. The ease of use of a system or application. Usability testing evaluates the user experience and ease of use of an application. Question 12. What is the role of a QA engineer in Agile? A. To write code for the product. B. To collaborate with the team to ensure quality in every sprint. C. To manage the product backlog. D. To handle customer support issues. The correct answer is B. To collaborate with the team to ensure quality in every sprint. QA engineers in Agile work closely with the team to ensure continuous quality delivery. Question 13. What is the purpose of regression testing? A. To test new features. B. To verify that new changes do not affect existing functionality. C. To measure performance under load. D. To check security vulnerabilities. The correct answer is B. To verify that new changes do not affect existing functionality. Regression testing ensures that updates do not break previously working features. Question 14. What is the main objective of smoke testing? A. To perform thorough testing of all features. B. To check the stability of the software build. C. To test user interface usability. D. To measure performance under load. The correct answer is B. To check the stability of the software build. Smoke testing verifies that the core functionality works and the build is stable. Question 15. Which of these tools is used for continuous integration? A. Jenkins. B. JMeter. C. Postman. D. GitHub. The correct answer is A. Jenkins. Jenkins is commonly used for automating the integration process and continuous testing. Question 16. What is the purpose of user acceptance testing? A. To verify the system meets user needs. B. To test system performance under load. C. To identify security vulnerabilities. D. To ensure compliance with regulations. The correct answer is A. To verify the system meets user needs. UAT ensures the system satisfies end-user requirements before release. Question 17. What is risk-based testing? A. Testing based on project timelines. B. Testing based on the probability and impact of risks. C. Testing the system after it goes live. D. Testing based on user feedback. The correct answer is B. Testing based on the probability and impact of risks. Risk-based testing focuses on high-risk areas to maximize test effectiveness. Question 18. What does test automation provide? A. Increased test coverage and faster execution. B. Detailed error logs. C. A comprehensive set of test cases. D. Manual testing instructions. The correct answer is A. Increased test coverage and faster execution. Test automation speeds up repetitive tests and enhances test coverage over time. Question 19. What is the purpose of exploratory testing? A. To validate software performance. B. To test the system without predefined test scripts. C. To test security vulnerabilities. D. To automate repetitive tests. The correct answer is B, to test the system without predefined test scripts. Exploratory testing allows testers to find defects through creative, unscripted exploration. Question 20. What is continuous integration? A. The process of testing and building software continuously. B. The process of testing only at the end of a project. C. The process of automating test scripts. D. The process of manually running test cases. The correct answer is A. The process of testing and building software continuously. Continuous integration ensures early detection of issues by integrating code changes frequently.